copyright strike or anything, even though this is fair use. So just let me show a little bit here. But I just want.
Whoa, this is interesting. So Simon Dan is going and talking about Angel of Light's video about the same time that I was talking about Angels of Light video. So Simon Dan is sitting here talking about the angular size change and how that's wrong with the flat Earth model, and then me doing the videos showing that Angel of Light actually doesn't know how to calculate the size change, one, and two, show manipulating the data by cropping out the sun and trying to make it look like a 23% angular size change. And even when he or whoever did it for him cropped out the sun in a perfect circle, still only had a 15% reduction in size. Now, when you see the original sun that I have in another video, it's only about 5 to 10% compression, as I shown in that video. So Angel's getting a lot of heat here for that. So one, Angel had manipulated data shown in his video. I've clearly shown that, so that's obvious. And on to the second point about the sun changing angular size. So we have to remember that you can't just take an hour before sunset and to sunset and do this, because you're looking at atmospheric distortion. You're going to have some compression of the sun. What we need the flat earthers to do is to take a solar filter picture at solar noon. So wherever your location is and the sun is at solar noon, if you're in the northern hemisphere, it's 180 degrees south. Southern hemisphere, it's 0 degrees north. Take a picture there. Get that size right there, because that's the biggest that it should be. And then just before sunset, before it starts to compress and starts to have that atmospheric distortion, or right after sunrise, after it's up and it's full, take those photos and compare them side by side, as I've done many, many times, and shown that the sun doesn't change angular size. What the flat earthers will not do is do that. They want to get that just that last 30 minutes or so, because it's compressing. And with perspective, we're talking about the size of the sun going from a big circle to a small circle continuously across the day, which it never does. And this is why flat earthers will not take pictures of the sun at solar noon and then before sunset. And what would be awesome if they would do it every hour on the hour, and then you can compare notes. Again, it does get distorted a little bit because of that atmosphere and refraction, but not during the day. So interesting enough, the last note is this video was coming from Shill's Nightmare, which had blocked me before because I disproved the Flat Earth Map app is actually inaccurate as tested against observed reality. So Shill has apparently unblocked me, but we'll see if he blocks me again for this. I don't know. Again, I'm not here to belittle, make fun of, harass, or do any of those things. Be respectful to each other. Engage in conversation as adults. No name calling and insulting. But at the end of the day, all I'm trying to do is provide the correct information and show the misinformation that's out there that people are sadly believing. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. See you soon.